Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Open the Microsoft PowerPoint app and sign in with your Microsoft account. Tap New to start a blank presentation or choose a template to save time. Set slide size to standard or widescreen under Design and Slide Size. Choose a theme to apply consistent fonts, colors, and background styles. Name and save your file to OneDrive or locally for version control. Use keyboard shortcuts like Control-N to create and Control-S to save quickly. Check for updates in the App Store to keep features and templates current. Insert new slides using the Home tab and choose appropriate layouts for content. Click text boxes to add headings and body text, then format fonts and sizes. Use images, icons, and pictures to illustrate points and maintain visual interest. Insert charts with Excel data to show trends and percentages clearly to viewers. Edit the slide master to update fonts and logo across all slides. Add simple transitions and subtle animations to guide attention without distracting it. Run Accessibility Checker to fix contrast, alt text, and reading order for audiences. Rehearse timings and use Presenter View to see notes and upcoming slides. Record narration and slide timings to produce a narrated slideshow for remote viewers. Export as PDF for handouts or as MP4 video to preserve animations and audio. Share via OneDrive link for real-time collaboration and simultaneous editing with teammates. Set permissions to view or edit and use comments to collect feedback efficiently. Save final version as PPTX and keep backup copies to prevent accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.